In this video, I'll show you how to submit an expense claim in Xero. First, sign in to your Xero account and go to the Business menu, then select Expense Claims. Click New Expense Claim to begin creating a new claim. Next, choose the employee or user the claim belongs to and enter the expense date. Add the supplier or merchant name, then fill in the expense details, including the description, amount, account code, and tax rate if applicable. After that, attach a copy of the receipt or invoice by uploading the file to the expense claim. Double-check that the receipt matches the amount you've entered and review all of the claim details before continuing. Now, save the expense claim and submit it for approval. If your organization uses an approval workflow, the claim will be sent to the appropriate approver for review. You can return to the expense claims section at any time to check its current status. Finally, once the expense claim has been approved, it can be included in the next reimbursement or payment process. Keep your receipts and supporting documents on file in case you need them for future reference or auditing purposes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to submit an expense claim in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.